Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Warren County in southwestern Ohio, southwestern Greene County, southeastern Montgomery County, until 4 p.m. At 3:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lebanon, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Kettering, Middletown, Beaver Creek, Xenia, Miamisburg, Lebanon, Springboro, Monroe, Franklin, Bellbrook, Moraine, Oakwood, West Carrollton, Waynesville, Morrow, Hunter, Harveysburg, Spring Valley, Corwin, and Centerville. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 30 and 39. Interstate 75 in Ohio between mile markers 38 and 51.